NRA 2024, and we're over here at Woodstone. If you don't know about this company, you absolutely need to. Couple things. One, they are this balance between just robust, heavy duty engineering in everything that they do. Pizza ovens, planchas, broilers, everything. And on the other side of it, this beautiful, like intuitive and innovative design. This is just a fantastic company. So we're here today with Chef Anthony.
Hello.
And we want to talk about one of their newest ovens, the ONERev.
Absolutely.
First of all, the name ONERev sounds like a boy band. It's a boy band name. It's a boy band name.
Yeah.
I like it. We're talking about one revolution,
Yep.
one rotation. We couldn't have called it the one rot. No one's gonna eat food
right,
out of a
I
one
know.
rot. Okay, so we got to go ONERev. Boy band name. I like it already. So tell us about this oven, Anthony. What do we need to know?
Perfect. Yeah, it's bringing innovation to rotating pizza ovens. So we really wanted a more responsive cooking surface. So we land a pizza in here. It's going to respond to the pizza we land. So we know that people want different toppings on their pizza. One person wants a cheese pizza, one person wants 8 toppings on a pizza.
Different sizes.
Exactly, different sizes. This oven will actually respond to each individual pizza you land.
Okay.
It's taking a temperature reading. It's going to fire the burners differently. So we actually get the exact same bake and the same rotation on different size and different toppings for pizza. So
How does it do that? How does it know?
it's taking a temperature reading when you land the pizza,
Okay.
and then it's going to fire. It's going to send a signal to the different burners underneath the floor.
Okay.
It's going to fire those burners at a different rate, just depending on what pizza's going in there.
Okay.
So really, just bringing that innovation to this style of pizza oven, and with those types of materials that are completely innovative.
Okay. So in terms of burners and heat sources, we're talking about 3 heat sources, correct?
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
So we have infrared burners underneath the deck.
Yep.
5 of those.
Yep.
Instant recovery. You guys have the most amazing burners, I think, in the marketplace, right? They're featured on a few different pieces of equipment.
Right.
We have our center flame,
Yep.
which again, Woodstone staple, right?
Yep.
So this beautiful theater flame on the inside, guests love it, we love to see it,
Yep.
the light from it, the flame and all that, and it's obviously providing a heat source to the dome.
Yep, exactly.
Fantastic. And then lastly, but not least, finishing flame. Again, another Woodstone thing,
Yeah.
finishing flame on the side.
Yeah, I mean that was part of the challenge with this oven designing it, is how do we get the pizzas moving in the oven, how do we get it to bake on all sides?
Yeah.
So that finishing flame helps get a nice even bake all the way around.
That's awesome.
And then again, like you said, that center flame is very signature of Woodstone. You walk
Yeah.
into a restaurant, you know it's a Woodstone when you see that flame in the middle.
The one thing that I found interesting about this oven is that with other ovens, right, you're kind of going from, like landing a bunch of pizzas at the same time, I guess, right? So the oven is always modulating and trying to recover.
Yeah.
With this oven, the thing that I found interesting is that it's already up to where it needs to be because it has a full suite of pizzas on the stone already.
Yeah.
So you're only ever taking off and landing one pizza at a time.
Exactly.
So it's not trying to recover from like multiple pies landing. It's always only trying to recover from one pie. I think that's super cool.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And you can keep landing in the same spot again and again. You don't have to wait for it. And that's part of the material we're using in the floor allows for that instant recovery, instant response to the
Got
pizza
it.
that you're
Awesome.
landing.
And we can adjust most of those flames. We can adjust infrared burners underneath, correct?
Yep.
We can adjust center flame.
Yep.
We can adjust rotation, speed of the stone.
Exactly.
Finishing flame stays constant where it's at.
Exactly. And
Got
the whole
it.
idea is if you have a particular dough style of pizza, you set the oven up for your product on day one,
Okay.
and then you never have to touch those controls ever again.
It's center, forget it.
Yeah, so
This is Ron Popeil.
Right.
This is Showtime Cooker. We're going to QVC with this oven, I'm telling you right now. We're going to QVC. That's great. Awesome. Should we throw some pies in or what?
yeah, let's do it.
So you're going like 11 to 16 inch pies.
Yep.
3.5 minute rotation speed. We're doing somewhere between 180 to 200 pizzas per hour.
Exactly. Yeah,
Okay.
that rotation speed will determine your
Sure,
ultimate
for sure.
output. But yeah,
Okay.
that's kind of a good
Okay.
benchmark. So notice what we're doing now. We landed the pizzas and we're standing here doing nothing. We're letting the oven bake the pizza for us.
We're not doing nothing. We're talking. We're
Well,
enjoying
yeah,
each
we're
other's
talking.
company.
Yeah,
I mean, this is
exactly.
nice. This is
Right.
nice, right?
But and you don't have to be a skilled chef though right now, right? You land the pizza and here we are standing here. We're letting the oven bake the pizza for us.
So that's a really, really huge point. So most deck ovens, most pizza ovens, you have your landing zone, you have finishing zone, and it's really an art form to where you land the pizza, how you move the pizza, how it cycles through the oven, how you come out. This is really, you're loading it and you're unloading it.
Yeah.
So labor, training, all of that stuff gets much more seamless, gets much easier. Yeah.
We're getting an artisan product without needing an artisan in front of the oven.
There you go. That's awesome.
So this pizza's completing its rotation. We're about to pull it out, and notice this is the longest peel that I need to operate this oven, because this is as far in as I have to reach. I don't have to reach all the way to the back of the oven like you would in a normal pizza oven. So that shrinks the amount of space I need to operate.
That's huge.
That's a big thing
Yeah, that's a
nowadays,
big thing.
obviously. All right, Bobby, come check out this pizza.
All right. Hey, can we check out this peel first? Is this a pickleball paddle or what is this?
Right?
Are we playing
I know.
pickleball today?
Yeah,
I like
absolutely.
this. I like this. This is actually a really interesting point because look at kitchens are getting smaller. Kitchens are getting tighter. We're always trying to integrate some type of oven, right?
Yeah.
And these peels and brushes and everything are super long, and we don't have the spacing for it. This is like, it seems like a small detail, but this is actually super functional.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's super useful. Love it.
Absolutely.
All right, let's check out these pies.
Absolutely. So really nice, even bake all the way around. We've got great color on the bottom, and we can expect that every single time we land a pizza again and
For
again. You know, again, this is a
Consistency.
consistency. Less skilled operator can produce this pizza consistently day in and day out. You don't need that artisan pizza to produce this pizza.
It's awesome. Artisan bake without an artisan in front of the oven. Woodstone ONERev. It's a boy band name. I like it. You got to check it out. Thanks, Anthony.
Absolutely.
That was
Thank
awesome, man. Hell yeah.
Thank you.